This is Fox 4 News serving the local Kansas City area. Before we get to the weathercast, this person near Kansas City shared us a picture of him trying to make a Oreo mug cake, but unfortunately it went wrong. But now let's get to the weather forecast. Today is going to be nice temperature with a high of 82 and a low of 61. Today we will expect light thunderstorms with squash ball-sized hail. Possible tornadoes are likely to occur either today or tomorrow. There is a severe thunderstorm watch alert coming, so we'll see you after the alert.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm near Kansas City moving east at 35 miles per hour. As of right now, there is a 80% chance of the storm visiting Kansas City with possible tornadoes hitting within the next 1 to 2 days. Stay tuned for future information.
Let's see, Work's taking care of, Mr. Grouse is keeping an eye on the house, Clyde and the McBrides are taking care of Walt, Geo, Charles, and Cliff.
Just a few more things, and we'll all be relaxing in the...
Yeah, let's go horseback riding.
Why are you bringing that on vacation?
You have your sunblock. I have mine.
Whoa, guys! This is...
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning until 4 p.m. A storm producing lightning, heavy rain, and tennis ball-sized hail is heading towards Kansas City and will hit the city within 10-15 minutes. In case of a possible tornado, go into the lowest floor of your building or a closet. Those are the two most safest options to take shelter in case of a tornado. The severe thunderstorm watch has now expired.
Nathan Drake. Not again.
Treasure hunting. Dirty business.
Yes, very.
This is broken.
It's not broken.
It's broken.
No, that's how it works.
Mr. Drake! Mr. Drake, car's ready!
Thanks. See ya.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch until 5:45 p.m. Local people have reported signs of an upcoming tornado. As of right now, if the tornado occurs, it is most likely to be an EF3 on the enhanced Fujita scale, as it could have winds between 136 to 165 miles per hour. Stay tuned on this TV or another resource for more information.
Are you subscribed to Mr. Beast?
No. Darn.
Are you subscribed to Mr. Beast?
I am.
Prove it. Oh, he just hung up on his mom. He literally just hung up on his mom. All right, the moment of truth is he subscribed, and he is. What are you doing the next 2 days?
School's about to start up.
Going to Disneyland. I'll get you a ticket.
Oh shoot, no, wait.
A tornado warning just went off on phones that belong to people in the Kansas City area. Oh my god, the sirens are going off. That means there's going to be a tornado warning on here. Make sure to not turn off your TV during the alert so that you can listen to the instructions of what to do.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning until 4:15 p.m. Spotters indicated and detected that the tornado had winds around 140 miles per hour, making it an EF3 on the enhanced Fujita scale. Storm chasers say that this could advance into an EF4 or even an EF5. During a tornado, go into the lowest floor of your house or go into a closet. If you are in a vehicle, drive to the closest shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Stay tuned on media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
I'd do anything for you, dear, anything for you, mean everything to me. I know that I'd go anywhere for your smile, anywhere. Yes, I'd do anything, 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 anything for you.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning until 4:40 p.m. This thunderstorm originated from Kansas City with a EF3 tornado and is now heading towards Overland Park in Kansas. Heavy lightning and baseball-sized hail is part of this thunderstorm. There is also a 20 to 35% chance of a EF2 or EF3 tornado to occur as this thunderstorm is heading for Overland Park. Continue to listen to media outlets for future information.
It began with my big toe. That was my first amputation that I had.
Berger's disease, it's a vascular disease brought on by smoking.
My fingers started to go piece by piece.
First it was my left leg. After my left leg, it was my right leg. And so now I'm a double amputee, all from smoking.
My tip to everyone is, don't believe that this can't happen.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning until 4:50 p.m. A tornado was seen by storm chasers and detected it as a EF3 tornado. Some storm chasers near the Kansas and Missouri border have noticed a possible chance of both EF3 colliding, possibly causing a EF6. Right now, take shelter. go into the lowest floor of your house, which is probably a basement. If you don't have a basement, the second safest option is to hide in a closet. If you're in a vehicle, go into the nearest shelter and watch out for flying debris. We'll keep you updated on media outlets for further information.
For my entree, I have made you a seared ribeye cap, wilted mustard greens, glazed pearl onions, a chimichurri sauce, and a bone marrow compound butter. I was going for upscale steakhouse restaurant quality, but also a bit of rusticity with the branded tortilla garnish.
Aside from all the rusticity, this represents Texas. Only one thing matters, and it is the cook on the steak.
Yes, Joe.
Let's see if the cook is good. The cook on this steak is spot on. You have a perfect char on the outside. All the sinewy intermuscular fat has been rendered into delicious juices seeping out of it. It's a perfect medium rare to medium. It's perfection.
Thank you.
How did you season it?
I seasoned it with salt and pepper.
I was a little perplexed by the bone marrow.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado emergency for most of Kansas and Missouri until further notice. The two EF6s are expected to collide into each other, causing most of Kansas and Missouri to get wiped off the face of the earth and also causing a 50-kilometer to 85-kilometer sinkhole. If you're in Kansas and Missouri, evacuate now. Don't risk your life by not evacuating. Taking shelter won't save you now. The tornadoes will collide in 15 minutes. You only have a limited amount of time to evacuate both Kansas and Missouri. All local Kansas and Missouri cities' news stations will leave the air until further notice. Make sure when you're evacuating, you bring everything you need before having to go back. This is not a test. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now.
This is KCCI serving the Des Moines area. Just several minutes ago, Kansas and Missouri were almost completely destroyed by the sinkhole that was caused by the two collided EF6s. People at first thought the EF6 would go to other places, but it only lasted when it was creating the massive sinkhole. Our city is not far away at all from Missouri. As of right now, about 350 people got injured, and around 130 people died from the tornado/EF6. The government is now figuring out a plan to make the sinkhole disappear and recreate Kansas and Missouri and as cities as both of the states got wiped off the face of the earth. However, this of course would take decades, even centuries to 100% recreate both of these states. Some people predict that it'll at least take 80 to 90 years at the minimum and 850 years at the maximum despite upcoming more advanced technology. We'll be right back about this commercial break.
This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The government as of today is going to start working on recreating Kansas and Missouri again. Even if this will take decades or even centuries, they will not give up as people who used to live there miss their home state. The government also decided to put a very tall gate that borders the sinkhole, so that people don't trespass or fall into the sinkhole. Continue to listen to media outlets to stay tuned to the situation.
The government has now finished recreating the Kansas and Missouri states. The main new cities are New St. Louis, Missouri, New Kansas City, Missouri, New Topeka, Kansas, and New Overland Park, Kansas. The states are also going to be called New Kansas and New Missouri. In the Middle World War III has happened from 2043 AD to 2048 AD. The American government was still able to recreate these two new, wonderful states using the newest technology. We thank you for the cooperation ever since the sinkhole occurred back in 2025. Now we will switch back to your programming.